Welcome and hello. This is a video lesson in MODSIM, and in this lesson we are going to download and install the program. If you already have the program downloaded and installed, feel free to skip ahead to one of the other lessons. All right, so what I have on the screen here is the MODSIM DSS homepage. This is a link online. I'll go ahead and leave this link in the description of the video. First, as an introduction, let's talk about what MODSIM is. And in fact, there's a better description in the user's manual, which we'll download in just a moment. And here it is. MODSIM is designed as a generalized river basin management decision support system as a computer-aided tool for developing improved basin-wide regional strategies for short-term water management, long-term operational planning, drought contingency planning, and water rights analysis, resolving conflicts between urban, agricultural, and environmental concerns. So that right there is an excerpt from the user's manual. Go ahead and click on MODSIM right here. And then to download MODSIM, you're going to want to scroll down here to the most recent versions. I downloaded 8.6, but there's earlier versions as well. So just go ahead and click on that. Now it's asking me for some information to register. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my name and info. And then towards the bottom of that form, once you got it filled out, go ahead and select your version of MODSIM, education, and then there's a verification here. So type in that number and then click on download. Okay, I'm going to download the 64-bit version. So click that and then wait for that to download. Go ahead and click on that downloaded.msi file to begin the install. So here is the little welcome page. Click on next. And then when I get to this page, it's telling me about not able to find MS Access database drivers, but I have Access installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and click next. Otherwise, you can click this button, or this link may not work, so I'll leave a separate link in the video description for downloading the MS Access database engine. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead and click next. Okay, I accept the terms, next, and then all users, that looks good, next. Yes, I want to put it there. Yes, desktop icon. Sure, why not? Next. Okay. So when you click install here, I believe you need admin privileges on your computer. So go ahead and click install. Okay, after I clicked install, it asked me yes or no. Do I want to install? I said yes. And then my camera turned off, so I got it started up again. And then here's the last box right here, just to confirm that it has been installed. Here's the desktop icon. So I'll click finish. And then boom, MODSIM 8.6 is ready to go. Let's go ahead and click on the desktop icon to bring it up. All right, so we're up and running. The application is downloaded and installed and ready to go. Before we finish this video, I just want to show you where the documentation is. So go back to that MODSIM webpage, and then I'm on the download page. So let me just click on back and back and back. Okay, so this is the first page that we started at. Click on MODSIM, and then right here at the top, it says MODSIM documentation. What you want to do is click on this link, but after we do so, we want to type in MODSIM for the username and documentation for the password, just what it says right here. So I'm going to click on the link, and then for username, MODSIM, and then for password, documentation. Okay, and then click login. It's going to take you to this page, and now you can download the applications, tutorials, and user's manual. Everything is in this zip right here. So the applications, tutorials, and user's manual are in this MODSIM 8.1 complete. So I'm going to just click on that instead. All right, here is the directory. I already unzipped it and just renamed it documentation. So inside this directory, we're going to see a folder for applications, tutorials, and user's manual. Real quick, the applications, what we're seeing here is just a list of journal articles where MODSIM has been used. So this is more background information if you're curious. The tutorials, there's a PDF inside the tutorials folder. So we're going to look at that in later lessons. And then user's manual, right here is the main user's manual. And then we have the appendices right here. All right, so that's all I had for this video. And for this lesson, we downloaded and installed MODSIM DSS.